The CCTV cameras installed at Venkatapuram village in Vishakapatnam showed the horrific steadying gas leak from the LG Polymers plant. The CCTV footage reveals that the gas cloud engulfed the villages nearby the plant at around 3:47 am on May 7. The horrific visuals showed people fainting on the roads as the hazardous gas engulfed the entire area. The Vizag Gas Leak tragedy affected villages in a 5-kilometer radius, killing at least 12 people and affecting thousands. Even after a week after this horrific incident, people living in the vicinity of the LG Polymers plant in Vishakapatnam says that many of them are still facing health issues and have to regularly visit medical camps set up by the local administration in their villages. Meanwhile, a team of technical experts from Seoul, South Korea, arrived at the LG Polymers plant in Vishakapatnam. The police provided the Korean company officials high security and escort during their plant visit.